Many times, nurses are placed in situations like this where there's potential for back injury. We need to suppress our first instinct to help the patient up and get help ourselves. Back injuries can be detrimental to a nurse's career. In 2017, nurses lobbied to make New York a zero-lift state, which means we should no longer be manually lifting patients and have assistive devices available. Mats and hover jacks and Hoyer lifts to promote safe patient handling and prevention of musculoskeletal injuries. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, each year there are more than 35,000 nurses in the U.S. that suffer from work-related back injuries, severe enough to cause missed work days and disability. Using equipment like these hover jacks and mats can save nurses' backs and careers. A 2015 report from the Department of Veteran Affairs showed that nurse-related injuries dropped 80% since implementing the use of lifting and moving devices. Using equipment like this sit-to-stand assist allows patients to participate in their own care while preventing back strain on the nurse. Lifting patients incorrectly causes harm to nurses and patients. Traditional training programs aren't enough to deal with the amount and severity of back injuries. The ANA started the Handle with Care campaign for the sole purpose of preventing healthcare industry back and musculoskeletal injuries. Nurses are in the Department of Labor's top 10 list of high-risk occupations for back injuries. We rank number 6. Knowing how to lift patients properly isn't enough to prevent injury. There are new limitations set to how much weight should be lifted by each nurse. The leading recommendations are to have at least 2 nurses in all lifting situations. Reports show that each nurse should not be responsible for more than 50 kilograms of weight each. So a patient that is 100 pounds should technically have 4 nurses to lift them. Erasing the word lift from patients' and nurses' vocabulary has been an ongoing mission of the Royal College of Nursing campaign, which was started to stop manual lifting. Nurses, companies, patients, and researchers are finally investigating the importance of back safety. We must band together to protect our backs and our careers.